Hello everybody, my name is Dan and I'm from the CarLuEX team. I'm here to present to you our new upgrade to the CarLuEX multimedia system. This is the CarLuEX Pro Plus. Okay, here's a nice little close look at the box and I'm going to delve in and show you exactly what you're getting. Open the box here. Here is the USB system. Has a fan on the back so it doesn't overheat while you're in the car. And if you go in deeper, here is the user manual. But you're not going to need that because I'm going to show you exactly how everything works. Okay, we're going to go in here now, and here is the USB. It's a Type-C USB. So now we're going to show you how to manually set up to your car. So when connecting, you must connect the side that says box on the back here to the Type-C port. Push it in till you hear a click, and then we're going to connect the other side to the car's system. When connected, it should show a flashing red light. That means it's ready to be connected. When it is connected, it will turn a solid blue circle. Okay, now we're going to go. So there you can see some cars will automatically connect to the CarPlay. This car has Apple CarPlay, so it connects automatically, or if it has Android Play, it will also connect automatically. There we go, so we're connected now already. Okay, so we're going to go back and we're going to show you how to connect manually if it doesn't automatically connect. So we go to apps, and you can go to your smartphone here. And so you can see if it has Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can connect to the device called CarLuEX this way manually. What the benefits are of using the CarLuEX Pro Plus is it essentially turns your in-play car system into a Android tablet, so you can watch movies, listen to podcasts, just the same as you would do on your tablet at home.